Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Then tap on device name under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Fallen. When you're done, select OK in device name pop-up and then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!